Hello student, let me continue exercise 4.3 of chapter 4 quadratic equations, sum number 9 to 11. Sum number 9, important question. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 and 3 by 8 hours. Change it into fraction. We have 75 by 8. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 or less, 10 घंटे कम लेता है than smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Let smaller tap takes time x hours, then larger tap takes time x minus 10 hours. According to question, together can fill a tank in 75 by 8 hours. We have to find the separately time. For it we need quadratic equation to solve this. For it, with reciprocal, we will find 1 hour work together. 1 by x minus 10 equals to 8 by 75. If together tap takes time to fill the tank in 75 by 8 hours, then in 1 hour it works 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 equals to 8 by 75. LCM, same process. Two x minus 10, x square minus 10x, 8 by 75. Cross multiply. स्टूडेंट, अब तक आप परफेक्ट हो चुके होंगे क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने में. 8x square minus 80x, make one side 0, adding minus root 30x plus 750 equals to 0. Take 2 common. We have 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equals to 0. That is quadratic equation, and you students solve itself and find the value of x. Now the next question, sum number 10. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. Average speed of express train 11 km or more. Let usual speed of passenger train x km per hour. Distance between Mysore and Bangalore 132 km. Time taken by passenger train. Distance by speed. Speed of express train x plus 11 km per hour. Distance same. Then time taken by express train 132 by x plus 11. According to question, more time taken by passenger train, that's why I am pressing here plus. less time taken by express train, that's why I am taking here minus. According to question, 132x minus 132 by x plus 11 equals to time. It will take time 1 hour less. Variable time, constant time. Now solving. One 32x plus 1 simple solving and cross multiply. We have x square plus 11 minus 1452, that is the quadratic equation. Now apply discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac minus minus plus after adding we have 5929, which is greater than 0. Apply quadratic formula. B 11 5929 is a square root of 77. A is 1. Rejected. From here we have 33 km per hour, that is the speed of passenger train, and speed of express train 33 plus 11 44 km per hour. Next and last question of this video, sum number 11. Sum of the areas of two squares 468 and the difference of their perimeter is 24. Find the sides of two squares. Let sides of two squares x and y. According to question, sum of whose squares is 468 and the difference of their perimeter is 24. Perimeter 4 into side. Take 4 common. Then x minus y equals to 6. Value of x 6 plus y. Put in equation 1. In place of x we will put 6 plus y. Solving. Y square makes 2y square. 12y plus 36 minus 468 equals to 0. 2y square plus 12y. After subtracting we have minus 432 equals to 0. Take 2 common. We have quadratic equation in the term of y. Now apply discriminant. Solving. (900) which is greater than 0. Apply quadratic formula. Minus b 6 root 900 by 2a. One time take plus 30, another time minus 30, reject. Y is equals to 12, then x is equals to 6 plus 12 makes 18. Side of squares 18 and 12 meter is the answer. Thank you.